Hello and welcome to today's top tip. For this one I'm going to show you one of my favourite apps, and that is Office Lens. You can download this both on an Android device and your iOS Apple device. You'll just go to your app store, type in Office Lens, and the little app will come up. It will have the L on the front and a wee lens in the background. So I've already downloaded it, so I'm just going to open it up here. And it will open up your camera. So what you are going to be able to do with this app is a couple of different things. I have a book here, so I am just going to turn to a page. I might want to upload some of this page to edit on a document, but I don't have the time to be typing it all in. So what I'm going to do is I am just going to hold this over the page. I'm going to let the orange box focus in the area that I want, and I'm just going to take a picture using the button. And that is now taking a picture of that page. I'm going to edit the sides in just to edit it a bit better. Take away my fingers from the bottom, and then I am going to click the confirm button in the bottom right hand corner, and now it has brought that page up for me. I can do some more things, I can crop it a wee bit more, but I'm just going to click done here. And now it gives me some options. I can save it just as a picture in gallery. I don't want it as a picture. I am going to save it as a Word document because I want to be able to edit it. You can see some other options there. You can save it as a PDF, you can save it to your OneNote, you can save it straight up to your OneDrive, or you can save it as a PowerPoint. So now I am going to click save. And now you can see that it is saving, and I've got other documents that I've been working with there as well. So now I am going to click on it, and as you can see, it has saved as a Word document. I can send this to my computer and I can work on it on my computer, or I can do it right here on my phone. I will click the little edit button at the top, and now what I can do is I can type on it and I can edit it any way I want. So that is a really cool feature. So now I'm just going to go back and I'm going to show you some more things you can do with that. So here's a little worksheet. Again, you might have completed this worksheet and you want to upload it for your teacher to see on your team. So again, you can take a picture of it. You can click confirm, and then again click done. And at this point, again, you can save it as a Word document, or if you just want to save it as a picture, or you can save it as a PDF file if you'd prefer. Just click save, and as you can see again, it's just loading up. And now that has created that into a PDF for me. The last thing that's really cool about this feature as well, so if we go back to the book and we take a picture of the book again. Like that in one of my last videos where I was showing you the immersive reader on Teams and on other Microsoft software, you can do that on here as well. So you might want the page to be read to you, so you can take a picture of the page of a book, click done, and as you can see at the bottom here it says immersive reader. If you click read, it'll take a little second to process. Going to click play.
Shrubbery. All these creatures were regarded as great delicacies by the hedgehogs, and they could never resist the occasional night sport in the park. But to reach it, they had to cross.
And as you can see, it now can read that page to me. And like online, you can change the settings on your immersive reader. You can change the voice speed, you can change it from male to female. You can click the three lines up at the top, and that will give you the other options where you can change the colours, you can change the text size, you can change the line focusing, so you can focus on a specific line, you can change your language in there. All these features I've already went over in my other video, but just to show you them again, you can highlight the nouns, the verbs, the adjectives in the text, you can just select the ones that you want it to show. You can break it up into syllables, as you can see there. I can go between my lines and you can see all your syllables. Go back to top. I'm just going to put the line focus off, and I'm going to go back to there, and I'm going to say I want to see all the adjectives in that, and it's going to highlight all the adjectives green for me. I can go back to the top again, I can increase the text size if I'm finding it hard to read. You can click on a word, specific word, and
Poor.
it to you. So that is Office Lens, and as I say, this is one of my absolutely most favourite apps. I use it all the time if I have to send documents to anybody, for example passport, pictures or anything like that. I use it all the time and thought it would be a really cool one to share with you. Hope that helps, and I hope you can make good use of Office Lens at home.